ended, so you'll need to send a new
Yep.
fucking stream link.
Yep. Send.
If you need to restart your computer again, bro.
Okay, let's. I sent you a link on. Wait, no, that was the wrong stream. You gotta find it on YouTube. But we are live again. How do you guys hear me properly now?
This is not a cook, bro. If you need to restart again, bro, I am not letting this slide.
Oh yes, the stream ended. That's for sure. But
Yeah, the new one started. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I think we are live now, so let's just continue. Bro, turn off the thing, so turn off the echo. Samek?
Yeah, my mic is still not loud enough.
Bro, it's fine, bro. Right now, it's not the time. Swasti got AC on B.
Oh, what?
And Clara also got AC on B. Yeah, 79 to AC.
Oh, what? That's
even
crazy.
Yeah, and Marisa, 41 on P3 right now. Also, bro, can you hear the echo or is it just me?
I can't. I don't hear an echo.
Okay, wait, let's try again. Yeah, I can hear an echo.
Wait, is my stream audio being shared? No, it's not. No, there is no echo.
I think it's from your mic or something, bro. But don't try to
maybe
fix it
because
now.
I increased the volume now.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is not a cook, bro.
Bro, my APs got over yesterday, so I am pretty jobless now. That is true.
Yeah. So we have 41. Is that the highest on P3 right now?
Medal predictions. What are medal predictions?
I mean, it's pretty obvious. Gold, silver, bronze from me. What about you?
Swasti's probably gold. And Mansi's probably silver, that's for sure. But Lyra and Dia, I don't know. I feel like one of them may drop to HM.
Oh, I was thinking Dia may get to silver if today is really good.
What was Dia's rank yesterday?
It was like mid to upper bronze. Wait, where is Lyra right now? Bottom of bronze. That's not a good thing to see, but
I think it's good as long as she pulls through near the end. It's fine.
Yeah. So right now she's going really slow. What about Dia? How much does Dia have? Oh, Dia is not even worse. Alright. So, well, it's not HM yet. We don't know that. It's just that she has 000. She hasn't even made any submissions. Yeah.
Well, at least we're not dropping non-HM because that's not possible for us at this point. Everyone is at least getting HM.
I mean, bro, that's not a cook, bro. Is that really something to be proud of? Like, really?
I mean, sure. If we have one gold and one HM, I think that's a fair trade.
I mean, I don't know, bro. I think you may be a little biased towards HMs, but I personally don't really like them. I think that a no medal would honestly be better than an HM because at least when you have a no medal,
you're gonna have HM at the very least.
Yeah, that's true. But you know what? Why are we even gonna have HM? We're gonna have 2 bronzes. You know, I have a feeling. Okay, so Dia right now, we haven't even given her a fair shot, so we can't even comment on that. Lyra too. I mean, she's just warming up. We don't even know what she's doing right now. She's still trying P1 probably, but maybe she's trying P2. Maybe she's just gonna AC P1 on her next submission. I mean, we don't know. We'll have to wait and see for that.
Maybe Swasti is gonna AC P4 on her next submission, but we know that's not coming.
Bro, you know those two things are not equivalent, bro. Like, okay, we don't have any submissions on P4 yet, right? So we don't even know how the subtasks.
I think P3 is what's coming next.
Yeah, true. Well, we have Marisa with 41, which is everything but the last 2 subtasks, right? Swasti acing P2 is actually pretty insane though. And look at the time as well. 26 minutes for everything but the last. and 33 for the last. I mean, she's really doing something here. I don't know what's gotten into her. In a good way. Oh, first submission from Dia. And on P1, what do we think? Is it going to be 40 or 100 or 0?
For hopefully AC. I think it's AC.
Yeah, I'm going to go with 100 as well. Let's have some faith.
I mean, she was taking so long, she had to be cooking an AC.
Yeah. Let's see. It could be 0 too. Okay. Yeah,
What
there
is-
we go.
Was that
It is an
a 40 or
AC.
100?
No, it was an AC.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so now where is Dia? So
That's bronze.
this is the border of bronze. Dia is somewhere here. And okay, so Dia is like upper to mid bronze right now. Okay. I don't think it's entirely unrealistic that she could go into silver as well. I mean, what do you think?
I would say it's probably a little unrealistic because we are looking at the lead about 40 minutes in, and there are going to be so many people who just grind out in the last 1 hour and get so many points.
I mean, how do we know that's the case though?
It's an international competition. There are like 500, no, not 500, what 200, 400 people giving. There's gonna be a lot of like people who just leave stuff up until the end, and then they just start spamming.
This reminds me of that. What do you say? The tourist strategy, that he was talking about at UCOP. Have you seen that video?
No, what is that?
Basically, a tourist strategy. It's a long going tradition. That's basically when you just have all of the solutions to the problems, but you just don't submit. You just throw off your opponents. By the way, keep in mind this is our ICPC. Okay, so over there the participants can see the scoreboard, so they look at tourists and they see him not submitting problems, and they're like, yeah, this is not worth attempting, right? And then at the very end, he just makes 5 submissions, 5 ACs, or like 5 of the hardest problems, and just jumps from like here to here.
Oh my god, that sounds crazy.
And suddenly someone who's like as good as tourist that can really afford to do that, because you really need to be confident in your solutions. And especially at like an international Olympiad, I mean, I don't know, personally, I wouldn't have the guts to like hold off, potentially losing a medal just to like aura farm. Like that's pretty much
it's not about
okay,
aura
at least-
farming. It's about say they have a solution for P1, but they're like, okay, I my mind is fresh right now. Let me use that fresh mind to think on some P3, P4 hard stuff.
Oh no! You misunderstood the strategy. You code it as well.
Yeah, that's
you don't just
tourist
code-
strategy. For IOI, I'm saying people who just think and don't code. Because in IOI, if you code, might as well submit.
Right. Yeah, because there's no live rank list in IOI, so it doesn't really make sense. I mean, the only reason it would make sense is if for some reason you want to go from HM directly to gold in like 5 seconds. Oh, we had someone getting it to gold right now as I said that. But well, yeah, I mean, I guess the only really effect it would have is like on people looking at the rank list, and then they're like, how did this person just AC these problems in like 2 seconds? Not really an effect on the competitors.
Oh yeah, and for the IOI stream, Ericto actually does that every single year. So, I mean,
The
if you
IOI
both are at
stream or-
IOI, you can just watch Ericto's stream.
Yeah, right. Because we won't be able to do the same thing, most likely. But I doubt the stream is going to be as professional and good as ours. I mean, okay, we ignore the fact that it died 25 minutes in. I mean, that's just a minor hiccup. We don't really talk about that. But there will be something else. Okay. So I feel like P3 is probably going to be somewhat hard, right? Now this is really where stuff starts slowing down a bit. How's the Brazil team doing? Wait, let's look at the filtered rank list for a second. Let's see. Okay. So we have Marisa in goal, Swasti in goal. Oh, look at this. Isn't this... Oh, wait, I did not mean to do that. Yeah. Oh no, Clara is right at the top. I didn't even notice her because I'm so used to her being like number 1, number 2. Yeah. Okay, so Brazil is currently leading. Then we have Cyprus. Then we have India. Oh, this is not good. So Mansi is silver, Dia is bronze, and Lyra is HM.
So Lyra might be stuck up on P1 AC, not gonna lie. Because
I think so too. But I think she is going to get it, given how other people did get it as well. And it is EGOI P1.
The chat has
Although
a
I was-
really interesting suggestion actually. What if you get the EGI girls to do the IOI commentary? So We switched spots.
Oh right, we swore. Yo, wait, who made that suggestion?
Heterosapien here.
We could get Lyra and like Swasti, or like, I think Lyra and Swasti would probably be like chill enough for that, right?
Let's see. Let's see at IOITC. And
Yeah,
we can
we'll
get
make
the
the-
hardware this time. We can
Yeah, we'll
sponsor
make the
stream.
proposal. Yeah, right. That actually sounds pretty good. Although, I mean, it'll be on this channel as well, right? So
Yeah.
it's like even better. Yeah. Okay, but still, this is not looking good right now. Oh, and also this is something I just noticed. So from Cyprus, we have Marisa, who's like third overall rank, right? And then like if we just have a tiny look at her teammates, I don't think they're doing too well. I mean, if you look at day 1, day 2, so I don't know what's going on in that country.
I
But
think
whatever
it's
she's
a
doing,
shitted situation. There's this one guy who's just different.
very different.
One person
Yeah, but
is just-
this is not even the shittest situation. I mean, at least over there we had people getting silver. It was like gold, silver, bronze.
I mean, did we
you know,
have
that-
silvers last year? I was the only silver. We had 2 bronzes and an HM last year. So
Oh yeah, we have an HM as well. Yeah, but we're talking about the time when Shizaj was there, right? Like at the time, it was not that imbalanced. But this is like really a like next level of like I don't know what's going on. But I think it's fine. I mean, on the other hand, Brazil looks pretty balanced. Like we have gold, silver. That's like very respectable.
oh, and we have someone asking if EGOI girls take our spot for IOI. I honestly don't think that's happening. Like,
I think that's
I
not
mean,
very likely.
you've seen the cutoffs. You've seen IOI cutoffs.
We
for
have
girls,
another
like-
submission from Swasti on what is this? Is this P4? Oh no, it's not P4. It's P3. Oh, P3. Okay,
yeah,
she hadn't.
Hopefully
she
that's
hadn't attempted-
41. Okay, 25.
It's 25. It was 25 for Marisa as well, I think. Yeah, first submission was 25.
Oh,
So
25 and then 16.
oh, and Marisa just AC P2 as we speak, and she's overtaken Clara. Now she's third, and Marisa is first. So we literally have a person from Cyprus who's first, and all of the others just at HM over here. With 0 on day 3 actually. It's like pretty crazy to think about.
Oh no, they're not HMs. 29 on day 1 is not an HM. That's no medal.
Oh right, this is no medal. It's not even an HM. Okay,
Yep.
but no medal is better than HM, right?
What do you mean our scoreboard is laggy?
The scoreboard is laggy. Wait. So are you talking about latency or are you talking about like animations? Because latency is something like we can't really avoid because of YouTube. It's going to be like 10 or 15 seconds late. But in exchange for that, like the stream is higher quality. The lag, I think that's just the website itself. I mean, I don't know. This website is worse than the IOI leaderboard. I mean, I don't know why, because they're using CMS too, so they could have used the exact same template, but for some reason they haven't, which I don't really know.
It takes longer. Yeah, that's just because of the stream
That's
latency.
latency.
Yes.
Yeah,
we
yeah.
Can't really do anything about that. I mean, we can, but then the quality of the,
The
stream
stream
is gonna
quality
get
would be a
worse,
lot worse. Yeah.
We're not gonna do that.
So I think it's a reasonable, reasonable compromise here. Yeah. Let's see. We have. Okay, so Daria Perekopska, if I pronounce that right, was number 1 on day 1, right? Now she's number 2.
Yeah, so
Okay, but
the
then-
reason why that happens is because we also see it at the same time, but the stream latency is too long.
Oh, just as I was saying that, Daria is now number 1 again. I mean, yeah.
Why is
Okay.
China not participating? For political reasons, I think. They didn't
Oh yeah, why is
participate
China
in
not participating?
API
Do you
as
actually
well.
know why?
I'm not sure actually. You wanna search it up? Wanna see what that's about? Let's see.
Hey, you want to search it up? Okay,
Sure,
okay.
let's-
Switch. Do it on your screen. Do it on your screen.
Right, let's see.
I'll have the leaderboard open here.
Okay, let's switch over to my screen. Okay, hope you guys can see the Chrome window clearly. And Yeah, so if you look at the APIO 2026, actually yes, that might be a reason, because in APIO 2024 all 60 of them AK'd.
Okay, you realize I think that was a joke, right? I did not fucking think that was real.
So that,
Like you're out here saying this, like, oh yeah, they AK'd the entire contest, all 60 of them. But that's not the case. I am 99% sure that was a joke.
yup, and that's
Yes, so
the
they
thing.
had a different APIO. That's not even like not participating. That's them signaling that, like, we're too good for you.
Exactly, and it doesn't even make sense. Like if you have a separate Olympia, then how is it even API? Like what's the
Right. This
Asia
is just the
Pacific?
Chinese. This is Chinese Olympiad in informatics.
Yeah,
Like this doesn't
there's
really political reasons. Yeah. I think it has something to do with the fact that Taiwan was the host this year. And I'm not much into geography and stuff, but I think there was some controversy with like Taiwan and China, like geographically speaking. So I think that's the reason they weren't a part of it. Yeah.
yeah, because I mean China doesn't recognize Taiwan, so if Taiwan is organizing, so that's why they
They
had
aren't
their
gonna
own
recognize
APIO
China.
to. Oh, okay. I mean, look, I'm not complaining. If China gave, then I wouldn't be in gold in the unofficial, not the unofficial, but the
I
preliminary
wouldn't be
rank
in
list.
bronze either. I think I was like fourth in bronze as well, like fourth last in bronze. So we're both not complaining.
Yeah, I think that's fine. I think
Yeah. Oh yeah, because there would be 6 Chinese in gold, right? Yeah, this is completely fine. I mean, whatever political reasons. I mean, look, China, they were too good for us anyway. They needed their own exam, right?
that's
Like,
pretty
wouldn't you
lucky
agree?
in my opinion, because you know what, I love Taiwan for this.
Yeah, I mean, Taiwan's just a goat now. I mean, there's a reason we both have. There's the reason you have a gold. There's the reason I have a bronze. So
I mean, we don't have them right now. We need to
there's the
wait for
reason we
that.
could potentially, probably, are going to 99% chance have them
Probably.
if we need to. Yeah, probably. Yeah. Okay, I think we can switch back to the scoreboard now.
Yep. Let's go back to you.
Actually, do you wanna start looking at the day one problems? Because
Sure.
we can't actually look at the day two problems, right? And I think the scoreboard is gonna start moving a bit slow now. But you know what we can do? We can look at the day one problems because I actually had solved them right after the contest, so I know some of the solutions. Samik, I think you tried P3. I think that's about it, right? So Samik will
yeah.
actually be seeing the problems for the first time. So we can get his live reaction as well. So let's do this. Okay, so let's Samik explain P1. Or let's actually let him try the problem and then see how fast he solves it. We'll be all judging him on stream, and then he'll explain the solution.
Let's
If he
see.
fails to, I'm always there, so that's fine. Right? So I'll leave it up to you. You can go ahead and open the problem.
Let's see. Why? Now we have this. Oh yeah, we can delete the CMS thing that we cooked up yesterday as well.
Oh yeah.
It was
That
just
that
so
is
sad.
fine.
It stayed up for 12 hours or something, and it's overtaken.
But that's fine because our CMS did not support P4. So
I mean, we
all in all,
spent
it's
a lot
pretty.
of time on it. Come on, that's
We
a bit
spent
sad.
like 1 hour on it. I think
Okay,
it's fine.
should I time this? Because I've never seen the problem before.
All right, you know what? Go ahead.
Let's time it, guys. Let's see. Let's get a
Yeah,
let's get a
and
clock.
switch to your screen too.
Stopwatch. Okay. Yep. All right.
Now keep in mind that the goal is CC this in less than 5 minutes. So if you don't, that means they're gonna overtake you in IOITC. They're not gonna go to IOI this year. I mean,
Is
just keep in
this
mind there are
visible?
4 goals.
Is this visible?
Well,
Let's start. Okay.
all right, yeah.
City's signature Oh yeah, by the way, everyone else can read it as well. I'm not gonna speak it out loud.
Once Samak is done reading, I'll just summarize the problem because I know that people don't like to read. I mean, at least I don't. So Samak, tell me when you're done reading it.
Yep. Okay. And I think I get it. Yeah, I think I get it. Yeah, sure. You can go ahead and explain. Stop
All
the
right. So
timer.
as far as I remember, yeah, you can stop the timer so you can think in the background while I explain. Yeah, that's totally fine. Yeah. All right. So
I'll
basically,
think
you're
on
given.
stream.
Yeah. So basically, you're given a number n, and you're given a string of length n consisting of pluses and minuses. Now, if there's a plus at position I, that means that you need to construct a permutation, and that permutation should be such that if there is a plus on number at position I, then the number that comes after it in the permutation must be bigger than it. So, for example, if there's a plus on 0, then like 1, 2, 3 could come after it. If there's like a plus on 1, then 2, 3 could come after it, but like 0 couldn't, because that would be an invalid permutation. Now, if there was a minus on it, it's like exactly the opposite. That like if you have a 3, you could only have 0, 1, and 2 after it. Like by after, I mean immediately after, by the way. And you need to either say that a permutation following the string is not possible, or you need to construct one. So that is the problem. All right, Samak, you can resume your timer and start thinking with time that's actually counted.
Okay. Let's open up Zonal. That's my favorite drawing editor, by the way.
Yeah, this guy for some reason uses Windows and uses Linux drawing tool, which I don't really understand, but I'll leave it up to him.
Windows is this better than Linux, in my opinion.
That opinion is wrong, but you can be entitled to your own, I guess.
See, NVIDIA has this fucked Linux in the ass. Like, you use NVIDIA, you can't really... Okay, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, okay. So if we have a plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus. So the first thing that I'm thinking of is, if we have all of the pluses, we can probably like link them together. And we can do the same thing for the minuses. Just link them all up in a chain. And then how do we like link these together? So if this minus was actually over here, we could link it up, and we can link it up here. So that means that the last thing needs to be a minus and the first thing needs to be a plus. And we could probably say that that's a requirement, because if the 0th index is a minus, then you can't have an answer because there's nothing less than 0. And n minus 1th being plus is also wrong because you can't have anything greater than n minus 1. So
okay, that was actually impressive because that is the correct solution. That's exactly the solution I coded. It gets AC. You basically just store the pluses ascendingly and the minuses descendingly, and that's literally it. Yeah. How much time did that take you? Like 3 minutes?
3 minutes.
Okay, you know what? Let's make that 5 minutes because I was explaining and you were thinking of it during that.
Okay, but I was straight up to explaining my solution after I thought for those 2 minutes.
I don't know, man. I don't know if you're gonna count that. What do you guys think? Do you think we should give him the benefit of the doubt? I don't think so. But yeah, that is a correct solution. All right. This is actually kind of embarrassing, but I took like 15 or 20 minutes to solve this. I mean, personally, I'm just like very, very bad at like, what do you even call these kind of problems? Constructive problems. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. Samik, why don't you go ahead and just like code this up in the QOJ editor? Like no ID. Just to see if you start. just to see if we still have it. I mean, it's a pretty easy problem,
I
right?
think I'm gonna make it harder for me. I'm gonna code it in
No, 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 no.
Notepad.
Okay, fine. Notepad works as well. All
Not
right.
this Notepad. This Notepad, Microsoft has made it fucking trash. Okay,
No,
why
no,
didn't I-
no. Don't use an actual ID. You need to use either Notepad, this one, or the QOG editor.
Oh no, I'll use Notepad++ without syntax highlighting. It doesn't have autocomplete, so it's basically the exact same. It's just monospaced. So
Is this Java code I see?
yes,
Wait a minute. Weren't you dissing me for using Java just some days ago?
this is for
Or do I
APCSA.
remember? Or do I remember wrong?
This is for APCSA, man. This doesn't count.
Hmm.
Anyways, let's
Alright,
code it
I
in
mean-
Java only for fun.
Wait, can you submit in Java? You should probably check that out before you. Yeah, I don't think you. Oh wait, can you just scroll down?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay,
So
there's some Chinese thing. The package of a Java program should not be specified. Oh, okay. Okay, come on, bro. We're gonna make it difficult for me.
okay, go ahead.
Start
Code
the
it in
timer.
Java.
Okay.
Yeah. Public static void main. Let's go, man. How many people here have taken Java in school? How many people here know the trauma associated with it?
We
You need
have
to import
N,
java.util.scanner. I'm pretty sure,
and then we have
unless
S.
you have it.
So, okay, there's a scanner class.
Yeah, but you need to import that.
And it was system.n, I believe.
It was. That's correct.
Import scanner. I don't know what the imports are,
It's
unfortunately.
java.util.scanner, dude. I mean, this is just.
See now,
This is
who's the
insane.
Java programmer here? I think it's pretty clear.
Yeah, I mean, I know the basics, alright? I know the basics.
Oh, ICSE has Java. That's interesting.
What is ICC?
ICSE, the board you were in.
ICC, yeah. Right. That's the reason I know it, yeah. Like,
Let's do s.scan int. Right.
okay, it's S not nexted. Dude, this is like.
Okay, I
Are
see.
you
Okay, guys.
trying?
I had a reference for APCSA. Okay, I'm doing this as like an AP exam. You have.
Yeah, you're not doing that well at this AP exam, bro. That's
We
all.
have this. Okay, so I'm gonna. You know what? I'm gonna use this. Let's keep it fair.
Oh yeah, let's just pull up the cheat sheet, you know. 'Cause
It's the
I can't
official
do
cheat
Java by
sheet.
myself. Yeah, because I don't know how to do Java myself. Let's just pull up this cheat sheet that tells me everything. Yeah, all right.
Yeah, I has to be capital, for example.
Yeah, right. That was a very unobvious fact, right?
Yes, I don't know. I'm not used to it. Okay, string s of length n consisting of characters plus and minus. Okay, so let's just use a string s is equal to s dot.
Bro, you can't
so
call
just-
both the scanner and the string S. You need to call it str or something.
Alright, let's call it
Yeah.
str. That's fine, whatever. So now let us make a loop starting from 0 str dot length and okay, so we have string char which is equal to str dot sub.
You can't call the variable char because that's a data type's name, dude.
Oh,
I mean, what is going on here, man?
I
Like,
didn't know they don't have the char data type in AP.
Oh, all right.
They only have this int, boolean, and double primitives. So that's all I know. Okay.
Bro, .charat is a function that exists. I don't know what you're cooking up here, but
I don't see.
now you're gonna
anything
use
here.
string dot equals to compare. Oh no, I was joking when I said that. And actually,
How else do
doing
you do
it,
it?
all right, man. Boolean array. Okay, why do we need a Boolean array?
To interpret the string.
We don't need to interpret the string, right?
I think it's gonna be better if we do interpret it, because
Like we can just do a forward pass and a backward pass. Like you don't need to store any sort of like information.
yeah,
Like-
it's gonna be easier for me to code if I store that info.
All right, man. I mean, if you say so. Currently, you've taken 4 plus 2. That's 6 minutes. So I think if you
So
don't
if-
code it in like 20 seconds, you'll be worse than Mansi. So
If
I sorry, not Mansi. You'll be worse than Swasti.
or if that is plus, then what's the output if it's not possible?
It's just no.
No.
No, capital.
System.out.println. No. It's really hard to code without. Okay, what's early exit? I don't know how to early exit. Oh, I can just return.
No, I think you can, but system dot. Actually, yeah, I think return should also work. All right.
And otherwise it is possible, so it's print line, yes, and then we have n
Mhm.
integers, and we just
The
like what's-
permutation itself.
so let's just create a integer array answer, which is new.
Oh, this is not a cook, man. I mean,
uh
I could have coded this in Python faster than you, and you know how bad I am at Python.
I mean, I learned Java and I'm coding it without syntax highlighting, without autocomplete in Notepad. So, hey, we aren't really the same person, okay?
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. If you say so. If you say so.
We're not the same person. Remember that.
Yeah, I don't code in Java, so I think I can agree. Oh, so is the last thing meant to be like a pointer?
Yep.
All right.
So if okay, you know what? Let's code it in a pretty way. If
By the way, by that he means unreadable for
not
people who are new.
if not array I. Okay, I'm getting a call. Wait, let's listen to who's calling. Hello. Yeah.
It has been 6 minutes. Plus 2 of thinking.
Okay. Yes, I'm back. I'm back. Okay.
Why is Samik coding in this disgusting language? I swear to God, I don't know. I think something's gone into him. Like some days ago, he was telling me that Node.js is ours as well.
Node.js is always so.
So it's like he's starting to like Java, JavaScript, all these like like second class, third class languages. So
Hey, don't call them third class. They're the best languages. They were literally given to us by God himself.
oh really? All right, man. By the way, you need 2 brackets to close. Like you do not like have 2 brackets.
Where?
You opened an if bracket, right? So you have the for bracket and the if bracket, bro.
Oh.
The for
For
without
doesn't
brackets,
have an
you
open
can't talk.
bracket, sir. It's an inline for.
Come on, bro.
That's what I said. Let me code it in a pretty way.
Okay, does that even work in Java?
Yes. I am coding
Okay.
it in this disgusting language because this language is so ours, isn't it?
It's not, but you entitled to your own opinion, I guess.
It is. You're just trying to cope.
All right, bro.
System.out.print.
He should be done any second now.
Okay, what do we output? We just output the integer. So answer of I plus we output the empty
A
string.
space.
And we do system.out.println.
Alright, so do you want to check your code? You want to submit it right away? Or what are you
I
thinking?
think we're gonna do a test run.
Oh, really?
Oh shit,
Oh,
that
we have
turned on
syntax
syntax
highlighting
highlighting.
I mean, it's alright. You already coded it up, so I'll let this slide.
No. We gotta disable it. Can't have
Alright.
syntax highlighting. Apologize to God for this. I don't think you understand. Wait, is this for Node or is this for Java?
It's for Java. It's for Java.
Okay, for Java, I mean, bro, all I'm saying is the rules are super strict. Like, it's a super simple language. It's like C++, you can do whatever bullshit you want. And
Yeah, and this guy was like coming to me and being like, "Why does while one not work?" I'm like,
yeah, like,
while on, and he was like losing points. And he was like, "No, why am I getting so bad?" I'm like, "Dude, like you deserve this." Like, if you guys have looked at any of his code in C++, like ever, you know what I'm talking about.
okay, let's use Nano as well.
Making it worse, but alright.
Rules are strict, and that's why it's a simple language, because the rules are strict.
Basically, it means that, like, you know, if a language has many rules, that's like very complicated, right? Like, you can do the same thing in like 10 different ways, but that's not the case with Java. It's
Java.utils
util, bro, not
doesn't
utils.
exist.
It's util, not utils.
Okay, I mean, that's your fault.
My fault. And you're the one that wrote import scanner, so I mean, my bad, bro.
Imports are not expected to be written in the AP exam. You're supposed to just use the classes and expect that they are imported.
Oh, okay, my bad, man. Wait, is that a 0? Okay, 0. Alright.
Yeah, okay. So,
Wait, hold on. Just go back to your thing real quick. 2-0. Does that say 2-0?
you can see 0 is connected to
Shouldn't it be 0-2?
What?
Shouldn't it be 0-2, not 2-0?
No. How can it be 0? How can it be 0 connected to 0?
No, 0 connected to 2.
Yeah, 0 is connected to 2, yes.
That's why 0 should be first.
What?
Yeah. Okay, I mean, you can go ahead and submit and let's see if it works.
Did I not read the output format correctly?
I think you didn't, yeah.
Oh wait, no, not this, right? Otherwise I'll see syntax highlighting.
Let's get ready for the wrong answer.
Runtime error, what? Main method not found in class answer.main. Oh.
Yeah, see, this is what I was talking about, by the way, yesterday. So I think they fixed it in the newer version, but in the old version, you need string args.
Okay, but this is an old version. This is a newer version. It's Java 21.
Alright, let's see.
We have. Okay, we see.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Like, basically, you need to end output 0-2.
So I think I read the output incorrectly.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, on a valid. Oh my god, then it's trivial, bruh. Then the answer is so trivial. I thought they wanted me to print out something else.
Yeah, that's why I was like, you can just use 2 loops while doing this Boolean thing.
Yes.
And you're like, no, trust in the Java or something. And I was like,
Okay, God.
yeah, but guys, this is the truth of Samik, man. Problem is, in 6 minutes, runtime error plus wrong. I'm sorry. I mean, you guys have seen it all today. I don't even know what to. I don't know what more we could have.
Sim.out.print, it's I plus an empty string. And
Oh wait, what were you printing?
I was
Answer
printing
file.
the
What?
cabin I is connected to.
Oh, I get what you mean. Okay, I see. No, you just have to print I. Okay, I see. So now you should get AC.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Why is it? What is it? 134. No, this is still wrong.
No, 1 is connected. Oh, did I do the reverse order? I think I did reverse order.
It's if reify and if not reify. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Now you have AC. Yeah, now submit this.
Okay, guys, that was just a small hiccup. Nothing bad.
Just a tiny.
I mean, to be fair, I misunderstood the problem. Like, I didn't read the output format correctly.
Right. It's not his fault, guys.
Come on, bro. It's their fault. Yes. You see
Alright,
that?
okay, so yeah.
You see
That's how we
that?
solve EGOI P1. Explained by
That's-
Samik.
That is called a cook, guys.
Explained by an
17 minute
API gold medalist.
Don't look at the 17 minutes, man. Who said no? Look at this. Look at the fact that I coded it up in Notepad++ without syntax highlighting. I coded this in Notepad with a box of scraps. Like, you're coding this up in your fancy ass IDEs. We are not the same person. Like,
Alright, man. If you
we are
say
not
so.
the same person, guys. Like no.
Alright, I think it's time to just have a quick look at what's going on in the leaderboard. I think we
Alright,
may have
let's
missed some things. Let's have a look.
Switch over to Avigna again.
Okay. So how are we doing right now? Okay. So I think we stopped off somewhere over here, right? We have some submissions. Okay, we had a submission from Mansi on P3 getting subtask number 4. Okay.
Ooh.
So, but no subtask number 1, 2 or 3. Just directly to 4. And look at our submission history too. 23, 22, 23, 0. So I don't know what she's trying for. And it's pretty rare that you see subtask number 4 being easier than the first 3. You think she may be going for AC actually? You know, it could be possible 1, 2, 3 are special cases, and then 4 and 5 are just like the full solutions.
It is possible. I think no, subtask 4 is a special case. Subtask 3 is a special case. And then
We just have another submission
and
from
two-
Mansi right as we speak on P3 as well. All right.
That's an AC.
Yeah, well-
She's gonna cook.
No, I don't know.
I think it's gonna be for the
gonna
first
be a
3
zero.
subtasks, or like the first 2.
Oh.
Okay,
First one,
First.
not that bad. No, pretty close. Okay.
Okay,
Anyway,
she's-
so that's what
she's
happened.
subtasking really nicely. What's Lyra doing?
Wait, let's check up on Mansi. She also got 79 on P2, which, as we decided, was pretty like normal, but pretty doable to get, given by the leaderboard. So that's pretty good as well. Then what do we have? We have Swasti with P1, P2, P3. Sorry, a subtask 1, 2, and 3 on
Oh,
P3.
Swasti
Okay.
hasn't done anything in a while then, right?
Yeah. No. She.
Oh, she
right.
got
You're
this.
right.
Oh, she got subtask 3. Okay. It's pretty respectable.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Then we have a submission by Lyra. Oh, this is not
Oh,
looking
no.
good. Okay, so it seems that she has moved on from P1 and gone to P2, which is actually okay. So there's two ways to see this, right? On one hand, P1 was an ACable problem. So ideally speaking, she should have gone AC on it. But also, it's good to not get stuck on the same problem for a while. So maybe she'll come back to P1 in some more time. But yeah, right now it's not looking that good.
Wait. I think your stream, your webcam is lagging a bit. I mean, someone said it in the chat as well. And by the way,
My
the
webcam is
reason
lagging.
why I look way more smoother than him is because I'm the one streaming, so it's going directly from me. While for Avigna, that data is coming from his computer to my computer, and then mine to YouTube. So it's like double
Yeah.
compression as well.
I hope it's not that bad, right? I mean, because and it's also like we are using Streamlabs. What is it called? Collabcam, yeah. So
Yes.
this is gonna be like way better than if I was on call with him and he was streaming that call or something. So I think at least the audio quality is fixed because of that. So it's like better than nothing.
Yeah, plus I
Okay.
think he's on like a worse webcam than usual today anyways, because
That's also contributing to it a bit. Yeah. Okay. What are our medals so far? So we have gold, silver, bronze, HM. So I think on day one, Naman predicted that these would be our results. I mean, I hope it's not the case. Oh, just as we are speaking, we have two submissions from Lyra on, was that P2? I think that's P2. And Swasti on P3. Oh, another submission from her on P3. Could she be going for subtask 4 or even
Let's
AC?
hope that's a subtask 4. Subtask 4 is gonna be good. Subtask 4 is gonna be
So-
mighty.
Lyra did not get more points, unfortunately. Mansi also made a submission right now. Okay, so she's gonna get 2 and 3 as we were talking about.
Yep.
Yeah. This is all. Oh wait, so Swasti could get subtask number 4. Okay, she got a 0 now. But since Mansi has subtask 4, it seems very in the realm of possibilities that she could easily get subtask 4 too. Okay, and Mansi has subtask 1 and 2. Okay, so now there's just 3 remaining. All right.
Yep. I think they all are cooking pretty hard. Like Mansi is easily doing silver.
Yeah, Mansi is getting silver, that's true. May even get gold if she gets lucky. But she would need to ACP2 for that, I'm pretty sure. Like, I have a feeling gold this time is going to be P1, P2, 100. P3 is probably going to be... It's probably going to be 64. And P4, well, actually, we have no way of saying what P4 would be because there's been no submissions so far, so...
I mean, we are 1 hour
But
20
alright.
minutes into the contest, right? These people are. Oh, Swasti 54 was the 64. That's subtask 4, I see. 4.
Oh, all right.
That's-
There you go.
That's GG's.
Okay. And this is pretty insane. I think Swasti was like rank 11 or 7. Now she's like sticking on. Oh, why did my page just refresh? Oh, I mean, all right. Let me just select the teams again.
Wait,
by the way, if
they
there's any
switched to
team
day
you
2
want,
only. Let's look at day 2 only. I mean, now it's getting pretty interesting.
okay, let's see. Oh, Swasti is rank 3 and you only consider day 2. That's interesting.
Yep.
Okay, let's
Swasti
go to
is cooking
Cyprus.
really hard. Just one subtask left on P3, and then P4 is like a 0. And Mansi
I mean, this
is
is like-
cooking pretty hard on P3 as well. So Mansi should get 64 on P3 as well. Just 21 missing on P2.
Right. And now the thing about this 21 on P2 is, at least according to EGOI standards, either this is tedious to code or she's missing like a very small idea. And the bad thing about that is it's not that likely that you get it if you leave it behind. But maybe.
Hey,
Well,
there's
I don't know. So
someone
last-
asking for IY team preds. Let's see.
It's actually pretty hard. I don't know who the third and fourth person are going to be. I mean, API was like really confusing.
I feel like it's gonna be Avyansh, Abhinav, or Man. At least one of them, because they were really, really strong
okay.
last year, and you know he's
True, and
prodigal-
strong at INOI as well.
Yep. And they're gonna be done with JE now. At least Avyansh will be. So they're gonna be grinding 2
JE
weeks.
was happening. JE was happening during the time of EGOI, right?
Oh no,
As
JE
far
is
as I
tomorrow.
remember. Oh, JE is tomorrow. All right. Well, good luck to everyone giving it here.
I don't think you should be watching this stream right now if you have JE tomorrow, by the way. Just saying.
Right. Yeah. Although maybe, I mean, personally, I think EGOI is more important. That's what Lyra thought as well. That's why she was planning to give JE, but she ended up not doing it to go to EGOI, which is actually like really cool. I mean, imagine having to go to an international Olympiad and not giving a JE exam. Like,
How much
That's-
did she
that's
get
like literally
in
the-
mains?
I'm not sure actually. I haven't asked her.
Oh.
Okay, wait. Do we have any submissions on P4 at all? Oh, we don't. Oh my
P4
god. Okay.
I mean, people are probably just waiting for P4. Like,
Yeah. Is it too early?
yeah,
Hmm.
it's,
Okay, maybe it is too early. Okay, but oh my god, look at this. We have 100 by 2 people on A, B, and C. This did not happen until like a lot later on day 1. Day 1 P3 was actually pretty interesting. But I mean, looking at the problem, I did not think that there would only be 2 ACs. Oh, and just as I said that, on day 2, we have 3 ACs, which is already more than how much we had on day 1. So by the looks of it, okay, by the looks of it, P1 and P2 are definitely ACable. We have so many ACs on P2. P1 is like most definitely ACable. P3, I have a feeling is probably gonna be doable as well. P4, we still have zeros. Like we literally don't have a single submission. Do we not have a single submission, or do we not have like a single non-zero score? Because there is a difference. I think there's no submission at all, right? Oh,
Yeah,
no, we do have a submission.
It's way too early. Everyone's probably just focusing on maximizing first 3 problems.
Okay, we have a submission from Lyra, which unfortunately is still just a 9 on P2. Again, this is like the kind of thing that makes you wonder what the problems are, you know? Is it like some kind of problem, like, you know, like a greedy kind of problem, which even I would struggle on? Or is it like, is something more simple? Wait, actually, do you know if Pakistan participates in the EGOI?
I don't think so.
Oh, they don't. Okay. How is Japan doing?
Probably
Let's see
need a
that
lot
as
of
well. Let's
money
look at
for that,
Japan.
not gonna lie. And
Oh, okay. I see. I mean, I guess it is Europe after all. So let's look at Singapore as well. Okay, so we're looking at Singapore, and why are we not looking at Ukraine? We need Ukraine too, because they were the winners on day 1. Okay, let's see. So we have Ukraine in the lead, then Marisa, who's like 4th, and then her team members. Oh, look at that! One of Marisa's team members has 40 on P1, so they're not all zeros. So
I
it's
mean,
probably
I don't
like.
think they're meddling. So I don't think.
Unfortunately, you may be right, but hey, this is still pretty good, right? If you look at it, like she's like the absolute best in her country. Then we have her. It's probably like, you know, we can have some conversations together about some problems, and then these two people who still need some time to get better. All right, but anyway, we have Japan, 2 goals, and where's the 4th Japan? Oh, we have 2 goals, 1 silver, and 1 bronze for Japan. I actually expected Japan to be a little bit stronger. What about you?
I mean, that's pretty good. 1 gold, 2 silvers, 1 bronze. That's super strong.
But it's Japan. We need to keep in mind that Japan is insanely strong.
I mean, I
And this is
beat
EGOI.
like 3 Japanese guys in API, I think.
I mean, you're pretty strong too, man. So that's not a valid benchmark, right? So
But I'm not that strong. Like, it's like.
Okay. To be fair, we did just see you trying to code EGOI P1, so I get your point.
That
a
was
bit.
pretty strong. That was pretty strong for the conditions. Like, I mean,
No,
you know
I
what?
think- I don't
You want
think
to
it was
do P2 AC in Python without autocomplete.
Bro, I haven't AC'd P2 normally either. I've read the problems actually, so it wouldn't be that fair for me.
Okay, we can do like a CF 800 duel. I think that'll be pretty good.
Bro, I have not solved a CF problem for like 10 years, and I am not on my laptop right now. I'm gonna actually have to code a notepad. Like,
Yeah, I'm
you're
also gonna
coding
code it in
as a
Notepad. Like,
joke.
that's the point. We both are gonna code it in Notepad.
You know what? Maybe we can do that, but probably we should discuss the problems first, right? And then after that gets done, you know, we can start doing stuff like CF duels, maybe.
Let's see.
I'll have to log into CF over here as well. I don't know if I even have. You know what? That should be probably possible. Okay, let's. Oh, we just had another Ukraine person jump to gold. Okay. So what about Brazil? Brazil is currently at 1 gold. Oh, Clara's doing a lot worse today than she was on day 1, which is
I
interesting.
think pretty
Okay.
good. 25. That's just 2
no.
subtasks left. She's
Yeah,
gonna beat.
but last time she was at rank 2, rank 3 for like pretty much the entire time. Like, did not drop below that. Okay, but we have 1 gold, 2 silvers, and 1 bronze. All right, I see. What about Ukraine? Ukraine is 2 golds, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Singapore has no golds. Okay, we have 3 silvers and 1 0 score from Singapore. Wow. Okay. That is
Why does
interesting. I
Cyprus
mean,
only have 3 contestants? Probably again because of budget constraints. Because
no,
know,
they do have
one African
have-
country in EGOI, and they only sent one guy, like literally just one person.
Oh, do you remember that one guy from IOI? I forgot his name, but he got like 0.43 points or something like that. I
I-
don't Some
0.43.
Jason something. Yeah, some Jason something, bro. I don't remember his exact name. Maybe someone over here knows. There was one guy.
I don't remember. And I'm so sleepy today because I woke up too early.
Yeah. You know, this guy woke up and I called him about the live stream. He's like, wait, it's now? So this is the entire reason this thing is late. I mean, that's like his fault, guys. So
No.
the freaking silence of shame is crazy, bro.
No, wait. Can you not see my cam?
No, I can. Oh, I can only see like a small portion of it. Were you doing like this?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But
No, I mean, I wouldn't say I agree, but like whatever you say, man. Okay. Wait, hold on. Do we think that P3 AC is doable? Do you think that some of these people, do you think Marisa is getting AC on P3? What about Swasti?
I don't think Swasti is getting AC on P3.
What about Clara and Marisa?
Clara, again, I don't know. I don't think P3 AC is probably something non-trivial, because if all three ACs are trivial, then gold boundary is gonna be very high, and we can't have that.
That's true. And yeah, I mean, if all three ACs are trivial and then just D is just like a problem where everyone gets 0, then the deciding factor is just gonna be day 1.
Yeah, what
Instead
did
of-
we have as the gold cutoff on day 1?
Goal cutoff on day 1, I think, was 100 plus 100 plus 71 plus 11. How much is that? 271 plus 11 is 282. Yeah, I think that was the goal cutoff. Yeah.
Yeah, so we should expect something along that line for today as well.
Yes. Right now we are at 220, being the gold cutoff. 100 plus 79 plus 41 plus 0. Oh my god, you see this? We have our first.
Oh,
we have our
just 4
first point.
subtasks. What are those distributions? Okay, 65 last subtask.
This was the same thing as yesterday, actually. Do you think this is a communication problem as well?
I don't know communication, but that's definitely a partial graded problem.
Yeah, like communication / interactive is what I mean.
Interactive, maybe. I don't think we're gonna have 2 communications. That would be historic, I think.
What, really?
I mean, 2 communications in EGOI. That's absolutely crazy.
I mean, at least in the mocks, how given there's always been like 1 communication per day. I don't know. I think it's pretty normal.
I don't think so.
Yeah. How 11 is the highest on D? Yeah, there's only literally 1 person from Australia with 11 points on D, and that's pretty much it.
Okay, but that means D is also still doable. So people have just
Yeah,
not
it's
gone
not
around to
zero,
doing
yeah.
D yet.
I'm kind of concerned about Lyra right now. I mean, 40 plus 9, and I don't know what she's trying right now. Wait, so
It's fine.
24
I think
points
she's
here.
still gonna get Okay, let's try to run predictions maybe
Run predictions,
on cutoffs.
cutoffs. Total cutoffs are. Let's just do just day 3, right?
Yeah, you know what we can do? So you
Sorry, just
you know
day
the trick I used for predicting API cutoffs to a really good accuracy.
I mean, you were like off by like 25 points.
Yeah, but that was
But,
exactly my error. Like I calculated my RMSC and that was exactly it. So
plus or minus 20.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So that means plus here we'll have like 300, 400 data points. So it's going to be way more accurate, and we can probably train like a small neural network.
Neural network. I mean, I don't know much about AI myself, but if you think that is possible, I mean,
Yeah.
I'll leave it up to you.
Okay,
But
so
by the way, do we know if the cutoffs on this website are accurate? I think it is, right? This is just based on like top 50%, top 25%, top 12.5%, right? The bronze colors we see on screen over here.
yeah, I think so. Oh yeah, wait. Just
Okay.
find the ranking for EGI day 3. EGI 2025 day 2.
EGI 2025 D2. I think we can find it.
Not the complete ranking, but like the timed ranking.
Oh, the timed ranking. Is that even there? I don't think that exists because last year they had it on Catus, not on CMS.
Oh, but okay, we can use day 1 as the donator then. Try doing that. I mean, we have the contest moving a little slow now anyway, so let's do something interesting.
I mean, how long do you think it's gonna take?
Well, it shouldn't take more than like 15-20 minutes.
All right. I mean, do you know how to import the data from the website?
Yes, sir. Let's switch to me then.
All right. Go ahead.
Okay, let's open up.
Till then, I'll just make a rough prediction, just based on vibes, and we can compare it to how well his thing does as well.
Yeah.
So,
And
just based on vibes, I feel like the gold cutoff is going to be 100 plus 100 plus 48 plus. Or you know what? Let's not make it 48. I think it's going to be 100 plus 100 plus 64 plus 9. Yeah, I think that's what gold is going to be.
Okay, so 136, 137. Let's just use the cutoffs at 137. Oh, wait, is this not copyable? Oh no, is this not copyable?
I think you can copy. Just come on, see.
No, that did not work.
Oh.
I mean,
That's
we can probably like do this, right?
Alright, this is not a cook, man.
Okay, it's a binary file, so I'm not reading binary files right now. Okay, I have. Alright, let's just try and see if we can inspect element our way into it.
Nah, I don't think this is a cook, man. Personally speaking.
Oh yes, these are the rows, yeah. These are the rows, and this is the div. So
Also, I'll just be right back. I just need to get something to eat. And I'll be back in 2.
alright. Let's see. Let's use AI, because why not? Oh wait, how do you switch to just day 2? How do you switch to just
back.
day 2 leaderboard? Oh,
Just click on the day 2. Yeah.
okay.
How's it going? Are we making any progress?
Think so. We're still the same place. But let's run the predictions now. Let's do it at 140. Okay, this technique is kind of cringe, but why not, right?
It's okay, Samek. You don't need to pretend like we don't do this all the time.
Let's use fast one.
You know what I think? You know what I think we can do? I think while you figure this out, I can probably just go over yesterday's, no, day before yesterday's P2 with the stream. You think that sounds like a good idea?
Oh wait. No, this didn't work. No. I mean, okay, sure. Let's switch over to you
Alright.
then.
Yeah, just go ahead. So,
Okay, wait, let
right.
me also just go ahead and take a small break in the meantime.
Alright, sure. I'll continue explaining P2 till then. Alright. So let's pull it up. So EGOI 2026 QOJ. Oh. Can you not access the problems unless you log in? Wait, hold on, because this is not my computer, so. Okay, wait, what if I go here? Okay, that works. I think biscuits was P2. Alright, yeah. So biscuits was P3. Oven masters was P2. Alright, there you go. So did manage to bypass that. Alright, so for the people who haven't read the problem is basically that we have n people. Okay, so basically we essentially need to imagine a permutation which represents n people and their relative rankings. So with these n people, there are also m tables. The ranks go from 0 being the best rank to n minus 1 being the worst rank. Now, what happens is, for example, if the permutation is something like 103542, people sit down on the tables. So in this case, n is equal to 5, m is equal to 2. The first two people sit down on the tables in the order of their arrival. Then for the remaining people, they follow a specific procedure. So what they do is, let me just read this verbatim. Each time a baker, that is a person, arrives, they choose a plate with a worse rank than theirs, but still something better than them. So that is essentially like kind of like a lower bound. So for example, if I had numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or if I had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, and a baker with number 5 arrived, then they would choose the number 4 because 4 is the biggest rank that is still better than them. So they do this procedure, and after they do that, they replace the number that they chose with their own number. And this procedure keeps on happening. Now, the one question may be that, like, what if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then 0 arrives, and everyone over there is worse than him? In that case, nothing happens. The 0 is just skipped, and we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the table. So that is the procedure that happens. And at the end, we're going to have something like this, right? Where we have the tables and we have the numbers that are stacked on top of them. This is what is given to us in the input. And what we need to do is we need to reconstruct the permutation that was possible, that could have caused this to happen. So in this case, one permutation that could have caused this to happen is 103542, because if we simulate it, 10 goes in the bottom, then 3 will pick out 1 because it's the best one. Then 5 is going to pick out 3 from 0 and 3. Then 4 is going to pick out, not 4. We're going to have 1035, right? Yeah, so 4 is going to pick out 0 from 0 and 5. And 2 is going to see 4 and 5. 2 is smaller than all of them, so it's just going to get skipped entirely. And we get exactly this order. So does the question make sense? People over here? Or maybe I'll just read the question verbatim once as well, just to ensure that that's all good. So you're a reporter at the excellent Glutinous Oven Masters, an event where N pizza bakers of Italy compete to decide who makes the best pizza. Each baker baked one pizza. The pizzas were ranked by a jury. Each one received a distinct rank from 0 to n-1. And the baker received the same rank as the pizza. Then, after the competition, it's time to eat pizzas. They will attend the event. Not everyone will bring, and everyone will bring their own pizza. They arrive one by one in some order. There are m less than or equal to n tables. The first m bakers who arrive place their pizza on the tables. After that, each time a baker arrives, they choose the available pizza with the worst rank, still better than theirs. They sit down at the table to eat their pizza. Finally, they leave their own pizza behind on the same table for another baker to eat afterwards. If no pizza exists, because all tables have pizzas ranked worse than their own, then the baker leaves frustrated and takes the pizza with them. Now we need to construct the permutation that could have possibly caused this to happen. So that is what the problem says. Now, if we need to, so let's read this out. Solutions with a correct first line, yes or no, that's whether it is possible at all to construct such a permutation. If we get that correct, we get 20% of the points. If we get that correct and we get any valid order, not necessarily the lexicographically smallest permutation, then we get 40 points. And to score a full 100 points, we need to output yes or no correctly. And if it is yes, also a lexicographically smallest permutation. All right. So does that make sense? Is there anything going on right now? Oh. We have a submission from D by Swasti. Okay. I don't think anything happened, right? Let me just really quick just confirm that. Yeah, okay. Nothing's going on right now. We still have Swasti Mansi. We still have Lyra at 40 plus 9. All right. Okay. So, now the solution to this problem. We're going to start looking at the subtasks, okay? So, firstly, we have m is equal to 1. That means there's only one table. If there is only one table, then the order the participants come in is pretty much... Okay, so let me just draw this line. The order the participants come in is pretty much going to be the order that the permutation has to have. Now, there's one caveat with this, and that is that if we notice what the problem statement says, if we just go back to the problem statement, it says something very particular, and it is that a new pizza only sits at a place where the rank is already better than theirs. So that means that on each one of these stacks, if we even look at this example, the stack is always going to be sorted. So the smallest element at the bottom and the biggest element at the top. So the second we have something like 3, 1, 2, we know the answer is immediately that like, no, it's not possible. Right, so that's one of the cases. That's one case where you can rule out the answer not being possible. Now, the other case, which I'm going to again look at this example for. So we have 13540, which I'm going to write over here. 13540. All right. So over here, we can see that one number that is missing is 2. Now, if you think about what they said, when we need a number to be missing, so hold on. How do I change my pen's color? Can I not do that? I think I opened something, but I don't know how to... Oh, exit Zen mode. All right, yeah. Okay. Let me just draw the line over here. Yeah. If we have 13540, in that case, if we have an element like 2 that occurs over here, also wait, I wrote this wrong. This is this is meant to be 0, 4. If you have an element something like 2 over here, it's going to look at everything, and it's 2 is smaller than 5 and 2 is smaller than 4. And that is the reason the 2 is actually discarded. So if you're looking at a condition for an element E to be discarded, the condition looks like E should be less than every single element over here. And every single element over here, if we have E is less than 4 and E is less than 5, then it's basically like saying E is less than min of 4 comma 5. So it's going to be min of, I'm going to call that A0 and A1. Alright? Does this kind of make sense? Now, we are going to look at this case. For in this case, it was just 2 that was missing. But if there was another element, like there was another element, so let's say this was E1, but we also needed it the same exact condition to be true for E2. In that case, we'd have E2 comma E1 is less than the min. So if there's two elements that both have to satisfy a condition of being less than something else, then in that case, this is going to become a max. And those are our two conditions. So these are the two conditions that make it so if they are true, the solution is feasible, and if they are false, the solution is not. We need max of all of the missing elements to be less than the min of all of the elements at the top. Now, the lexicographically smallest part, when we are adding elements in this sequence, we need to ensure that the element we are adding is always less than the things at the top. But as we add more of these elements, the top only ever increases. What that implies is that there's going to be some point. So over here, 2 is missing, right? So if we had this stack over here, 3 and 4, that is fine. 2 is still missing over here, so we can put the 2 down. But if it was something like this stack, now 2 is bigger than this 1 over here, so we wouldn't actually be able to do it. So that is what we need to keep in mind as well. I think these are like the two main impossible conditions. So if we satisfy this, then how? So now we have reduced the problem essentially to this subtask over here, where the sum of ti is all equal to n. In this case, the solution is actually pretty simple. All we have to do is we first look at these elements over here. So these ones, which are just inserted by default. And then we scan upwards and we look at each element at the top over here. We choose the minimum of them and we put it over. We choose the minimum of them, and we also have to ensure that when we pick that element, so if we pick a 3 over here, then that 3 is going to go to this 1 and not to the 0. In this case, that's true because 1 is the only element before it. So if we loop over all possible stacks like this and keep choosing the min, and keep updating, this condition is always going to continue remaining to be true. And if we greedily construct the permutation in this way, it turns out that that works. So just scoring this verbatim, as I said, is going to get you till this subtask. It's going to get you 70 points. In order to optimize this to a full solve, all we need to do is just make sure that these stacks work out better. So all I mean by that is that we need to make sure that we are able to compute which is the minimum element on top of which stack very fast. And you can do this in multiple ways, but I used a segment tree indexed by B, where B is the top element. And then you can just binary search on that. So hopefully that makes sense. If you guys have questions, please ask. I did rush a bit in this explanation, but hopefully some of it made sense. The long story short is basically just that we just need to greedily look at the element on top of each stack and choose the smallest one that follows this order of the things, and that turns out to work. So that is P2. All right, let's go back to the leaderboard. Let's see if there's something that I missed. Yeah. So we still have Swasti at the top, 100 plus 100 plus 64. Mansi is still at 179, 48. Somehow she hasn't gotten subtask 3 yet, which is pretty unexpected. And she did try for it, 121, 151. So there was definitely some effort made by her. Dia is still... Did Dia make a submission? Dia is still at 100 plus 31, so there's no progress there as well. And Lyra is still at 40 plus 9, which is pretty unfortunate. But there's still time left. We are approaching the halfway mark, but not there yet. And let's not filter the scoreboard. Let's see how the others are doing. Okay, so we have the first person at rank 1 being from the US. Wow, okay. US wasn't doing as well yesterday. So
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm back.
Yes, sir. Hello. Welcome back. Yeah. So US is somehow at the top now. How about the other US people? How are they doing? USA. Let's filter the rank list. Okay, so we have one US over here, two US in silver, and one US in honorable mention. What is going on? Have you ever seen a US in the honorable mention?
Yeah.
I don't think historically US has ever got an HM. Like, what is going on?
I think they got a bronze in EGOI 25, if I remember correctly.
What? I can't sell Yusuko silver for the life of me, and you're telling me that there's people in the US that get through bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, and somehow manage to get
open
bronze.
EGOI 25 rank list. Let's see.
There's no way that's true.
I know
IOI
because I
22.
outscored 2 US people in the IOI this year, and I'm low silver.
United States.
I mean, Rainbow obviously. Like
Yeah,
Rainbow.
we have one gold. Oh, two bottom silvers. Oh my god.
And yeah, one of
And-
them silvers is below me.
And one bronze.
And that to like
Oh.
mid bronze, not even like high bronze. Okay,
No,
let's
it is somewhat high. Somewhat high.
I don't
United
think it's
States.
so high. That's not as high as it should be.
That's true. How is this even happening? Brian Zui is like, oh my god, he had gold rank 3 in 2024, and now he's at low silver.
He's
What?
below
That
me,
doesn't-
yes sir.
That doesn't even make sense. Yeah, I think you are somewhere over here. Yeah. You're also at the boundary of silver and bronze, but you're still above Brian Zui.
Yes, isn't that cool?
That is pretty cool, yeah. But it's also like, how does this even happen? How does this even happen? Stuff is pretty unexpected. I mean, let's log the scoreboard. We're tracking too many teams right now. I can't even see where India is. Yeah, I think a lot of people right now are just stuck at 100 plus 64 or 100 on P3. I think the problems are probably going to get significantly harder by this point.
Yeah. I mean, it'll be some time until we have some updates. Maybe we should take a break.
Yeah, maybe. You can just leave the rank list on as well.
Yeah, let's take a break then. Let's come back in like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
We'll have
Okay.
something interesting happening by that point.
Yeah, alright, cool. I'll just turn off my camera, I'll keep my screen on, and you keep sharing my screen, okay?
Alright, sure.
Yep, cool.